Welcome to Links, YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video we will talk about Amazon Recycle Bin. But before we start the lab session, we need to understand few points, which is what is Amazon Recycle Bin and its use cases. So here you can see docs.aws.amazon.com. I'm going to follow the documentation of Recycle Bin, and here it's clearly mentioned this is Recycle Bin API reference. Recycle bin is a data recovery feature that enable you to restore accidentally deleted Amazon EBS snapshot and EBS backed AMIs. You can restore accidentally deleted Amazon EBS snapshot with the recycle bin feature. If your resources are deleted, they are retained in the recycle bin for a time period that you specify before being permanently deleted. So you can restore resource from the recycle bin at any given time. If you restore a resource from the recycle bin, it will be removed from the recycle bin and you can use it the same way you can use any other resources in your account. The resource is deleted from the recycle bin if the retention period is not renewed. So the things are clearly mentioned here. You can go and you can read it. This document was last published on October 2024, right? So let's do the lab session and we'll see how we can use how we can use recycle bin in AWS and recover our Amazon EBS snapshots or AMIs. So here you can see this is my AWS console and currently I'm in Mumbai region. So let me refresh the resources first. Okay, so currently you can see there is no one EC2 instance in running condition. So let's start with the first step, which is launch one EC2 instance with 1 GB extra data volume, where I will store my data files, right? So I just follow the simple steps. I'll go launch instance. I'll give the name of demo EC2, and then I scroll down and I go with the Amazon Linux default one. I'll go my existing key pair, which is Mumbai. Okay, and I scroll down. I'll go security group, which is allowed port SSH 22, and I got one root volume which is 8 GB by default, and just add one more new volume only for 1 GB just for testing purpose, and I'm going with the GP2 purpose, right? Now I just launch the instance. So here by using simple steps, what I did, I just launched simple EC2 instance with two volume. One is root volume, another one is data volume, right? So let's refresh. Soon, yeah, here you can see two instances are there. And let me check on the volume section. Here you can see one is 8 GB. Let it be set the tag. This is default root volume, and this one is my extra storage, right? Extra volume, something like that. So we can easily figure out with the name, right? This is extra volume. Okay, so currently if I go back on EC2 dashboard and refresh, you will see one instance is up and running condition. So let's refresh. Yeah, here it is. Let it be connect. So click on the connect and try to save some data. So I scroll down, go to the connect. Okay, establish connection. Okay, I am successfully connected with my Amazon machine. Let me go with root privileges, and if I run lsblk command, you can see I have a two block devices. One is xvda, which is the 8 GB in size, which is my root volume, and second one is xvdb, which is 1 GB in size, right? So let's assign the file system this second block storage and mount it somewhere, right? So I just run the simple command mkfs.xfs selects xvdb. Okay, let me assign the xfs file system. I make a mount point like data, and then I finally just go over temporary mounting xvdb slash data, right? Now let me go to the data folder and let me write down some data. Cal, I said cal.txt, then I use man date.txt, and similarly I use uh, host name, or I go with dir command, say dir.txt, right? So I just write down some data here. You can see three files are available. And if I go df capital th command, here you can see div xvdb with the file system xfs, 39 MB used, 5% used in slash data, right? So by using this simple step, what I did, I just used some space. Now what I need to do, I need to go in the next step, which is I need to take the snapshot of this data volume which I have used here, right? So let me exit from here. Now how to take the snapshot? So just go on the volume section again, and number methods are there, but I'll go with the volume section. I'll click on the volume and select your volume. In my case, that is extra volume. Let it be go on the action and just create the snapshot. Simple from here. So just create a snapshot. Now give the description. I said demo for demo purpose, right? And just create it. That's it. So the moment you create, you can see successfully created snapshot with this snap ID from this volume. So if you go back again on the EC2 dashboard, earlier nothing is there. Now you can say one snapshot is there. So just click on the snapshot, and here you can find out our snapshot is available. Let it be set the tag name first of all, right? So I said snap hyphen 1, and snapshot ID is there. It is in 1 GB for description, that is for demo, and it's pending state. So let it be complete. Yeah, it's completed because it's 1 GB in size, very small in size, so it's very quickly it's completed. Now let's we take the already take the snapshot. Now move to the next step, which is configure recycle bin. So here you can see the recycle bin is there, right? So our intention is to recover our EBS snapshot or this EBS volume when it gets deleted. So for this one, we need to configure recycle bin for selected snapshot. So click on the recycle bin here. It will navigate us to the new page. Let's go. Okay, so here you can see recycle bin is recycle bin console, and use recycle bin to protect your business critical EBS snapshot and AMI from accidental deletion. So here we need to create a retention rule, right? So uh, here we need to just give the retention rule and description, which is very important for us. So just click on the retention rule and give the retention rules name. So I just give the name demo rule, right? And description for demo purpose, right? And then if I scroll down here, you will find out this some retention settings are there, and these settings enable us to define the resource type, whether it is an image or this is the EBS snapshot or AMI images, and then some tags. On the basis of tag, you want to apply in all snapshots or AMI, or you want to go with specify with the tag. So I'll go with the tag. If you tick all, it will just set this rule for all kind of snapshot, right? And finally, if I scroll down here, you can find out retention period. So this is the time period that resource can be recovered after deletion, right? So let's fill up all details which is required for this demo, right? So I'll just go resource type. I'll go with my EBS snapshot, and I go with the tag name. So just click here, the name, and the name of is my tag is snap1, right? So I just select the snap1. Just click on the add. Is successfully added here. Retention period, I go with only 1 day, but you can go from minimum to 1 to maximum 365 days, and just create retention rule. I'll go with the default tag name. You can change it from here also. So you can see my demo rule is successfully created. It's successfully available. Now time to action. Now time to final check. So how we'll check that it's work or not? So let's go back on the snapshot here, and let's try to remove it from here. So I just select, and I'll go action and delete the snapshot. Delete, delete, delete. Just click on the delete. The moment I click delete, no, you currently have no snapshot in this region. So you can see my snapshot is gone. If you go to the EC2 dashboard and if refresh, you will see no snapshot is there, right? Now suddenly I just think, oh, I did something wrong. I need to remove the other snapshot, right? Accidentally I removed that one. So what I need to do, I'll go back again on recycle bin. Under the recycle bin, here you will find out resource option. So if everything is okay, you can see you can get my snapshot here. This is the snapshot, right? Just because of retention rule. So just select from here and click on the recover. The moment you click on the recover resources, it will get set back again on your snapshots. So now nothing is there, just refresh and you can see a snapshot is back. So this is how it's simple, it's very easy for all of us, right? So it's back in my snapshot and it's very easy to recover your snapshot or AMI images. The same approach can also be applied to Amazon machine images. The focus will be at that time on OS images, right? So this is how guys you can recover your deleted EBS snapshot from AWS using recycle bin feature. If you don't want to use any much more retention rule, just go and just select this one and remove it. So just select you want to modify something, you can go and you can modify it from here also. Let me go delete the rule, I don't need anymore. Delete and delete it. So here you can see I remove it. So inside my recycle bin again retention rule is there, again you can see resources is gone from here. So guys, this is how in a simple steps you can go and take the advantages of this recycle bin feature. So guys, that's all about this demo. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out through my social media link which is mentioned in the description. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.